In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in Google Meet using a link, a straightforward process that you can easily follow. By the end of this guide, you will be comfortably navigating Google Meet like a pro, ready to join any meeting with just a few clicks. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google Meet website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com, which will bring you to the Google Meet homepage. This is the starting point for accessing all of your meeting needs, whether you're hosting or simply joining one. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll notice several options. Today, we're focusing on joining a meeting using a link, so direct your attention to the button that says Enter a Code or Link. This button is usually prominent, located near the center of your screen. Clicking on it will open a small pop-up window where you can input the meeting code or link that you've received. Now you might be wondering, where do I get this code or link? Typically, the meeting host will provide you with it via email, calendar invite, or direct message. It's usually a short combination of letters and numbers, or a URL. If it's a URL, you can copy and paste it into the field provided for a quick and easy entry. Alternatively, you can manually type in the meeting code if that's what's being provided. Once you've correctly entered the link or code in the designated space, go ahead and click the Join button. This is your final step in entering the meeting, and if all is well, you'll be redirected straight into the meeting room. Keep in mind that some meetings may have additional security features such as a waiting room, where the host will need to admit you in, so if you find yourself waiting a moment, don't worry, it just means the host is ensuring security protocols are in place. As a quick tip, ensure that your microphone and camera are working correctly before entering the meeting. You can usually see settings for these right before you join. It's always good practice to test your equipment to avoid any awkward hiccups once you're in the meeting. And there you have it, joining a Google Meet meeting using a link is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you can connect with colleagues, classmates, or friends from anywhere in the world. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to confidently join any Google Meet session. Thank you for watching and happy meeting.